Yes, my people, that is it. The last few bubbles in my go down now, because guess what? See the people? One out. Welcome back, man. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Outer TV. As you can see how me I look up, I am at a Julie mango tree. Right now, I see quite a few. See them here? If you don't know Julie, see Julie them there. Mango up there, I have a stick right now. You'll see me can get at least 6 carry I'm going to eat. Because the rainy season in Jamaica, I even don't know. Rainy season means mango season. So, right now, I just see me can get at least nice little one we just catch. See that? Nice and lovely. The tree and grow them so big. I don't know why. This tree don't grow them Julia so big, but they're nice regardless. You know, got this nice Julie mango. Yeah man, people. Yeah, come get one soup. See soup out there. Yeah man. So come we just get to. You know what this? We have this for roast or cooking a week, you know. Welcome back, man. Big up on yourself. You there and catch some water. Wayne, big up yourself and you reach out to me to sort out the menu here. Let's say a nice weather for some curry chicken back. See there? We have some chicken back at our people. This is the best dressed chicken back. Fat and full of meat like yo. Pretty man, look there. When you see the thing star, I almost think I mix part. I say yo, I don't mix parts in harder. You know? Pretty man. So I just get 2 parts of this. One in my fridge. So I curry some chicken back and I mix that with some sweet corn and dumpling. Cook some cornmeal dumpling today, guys. It's been a while since I cooked some cornmeal dumpling. Cornmeal dumpling. My friend went kind of out on yam, but I still managed to get a little piece elsewhere. I try to stop by yam and keep it for up to 7 days. So if I don't really need it, I'm not going to buy it because for the past few days I'm losing out on the yam that I buy. Them are rotten. You understand? So I don't have money for this. Anyway. While that I go on out, I know I'm sure I need my dumpling and put on my food pot people, but I don't know what I go on. I come out with some mango man and tell you. People, I saw Julie too, you know. Freshly picked. Anyway, big up on yourself. When I time to deal with the food, I will tune in and make you see what I go on. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, people, see there. Water boil. I will get in some dumpling. I have my yam and my banana here so already. You know, I don't normally put food in the water like this, you know. Normally once I peel them, they're ready to go into the pot, but so I know them banana here the on the softer side, and I still take the risk and put them in. I try to get a bunch, but I don't get that much. So I just work with what I have. See? So I just wash off my hand and onto my dumpling. Okay, the roll and press. Dumpling a dumpling, yeah, man. So nice. Make a dumpling. You don't have to big. Which you don't know that already. If you know I watch your channel long enough, I'm not supposed to have one now walk and I look at baby dumpling me make. See man. Yeah man, the way man make dumpling, you know, man. That's some big old recipe, you know. Then call it roll and press, or some people call it Johnny cake. Actually lick up my finger a while ago and I feel a feeling right now where it make me move somewhat slower. Because I feel a little pain. Yeah man, I lick up my finger see because the gears. Anyway people, when I get the drift while I go and roll out them dumplings, yeah? Drop them in, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you what I'm going on the curry chicken back. Dumpling up boil people. But guess what? You have to remove all of this starch. Add a little bit of vinegar to the water, as you know. When me cook banana, me like to add a little bit of vinegar. Yeah man, it names stain control. Yeah. So banana in the pot, yam in the pot, everything still white and pretty. That is it. I'm going with my fork, you know. Stir this before everything starts sticking. Yeah, lovely. Anyways, long story short. See chicken back here. People, when I say chicken back, active. The chicken back is active. Yeah man. You don't know chicken back are mostly fat and bone, but the chicken back here, the best dressed one, people, is full of meat. Believe me. So I managed to get my hands on a few pounds of this. So I take it. I have some in my fridge right now because I not play with it. I hear say short. I don't know about Jamaica when things short. The price I go whoop. That is it. So while it is down there, I take the opportunity when I get on just get in the fight. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna sort out some seasoning now. So go upon this little Maggi chicken, little all-purpose, some jerk season, every little thing I will go upon here nice up in here. I have my jeera, I have my masala, everything there already man, because a curry, we have a curry this now people. Yeah man. We had curry yesterday, but guess what happened? The brethren say a good day for some curry chicken back. Now deal with the matter. So stay tuned. Alright people, I thought I'd touch record on this thing, you know, and it was a recording, so my apologies. We all do make mistakes. Well, that wasn't really a mistake, it's just that me I moved so fast. Anyway, I then did a little wet rub for this with scotch bonnet garlic, pimento seeds, scallion thyme. You know the whole works when it come down to wet rub. See? Right. Then I go so now and I add some chicken season. I add a little jerk season to this. I have my jeera in this. I have masala in this. I have all-purpose in this. Everything combined right there so right now. And I just top off the top with a little curry. Whenever I do curry, people, I like to add a little curry to the meat and also burn the rest in the pot. So that's how me do it. Everybody do it different. Some people don't add curry to the meat, none at all. Yeah, then add oil to the oil, which me find myself do it that way before. I don't really taste the difference, but I think this method that I'm doing now, it making me a bit prettier in terms of color. Yeah, that's what I think. Maybe. I don't know, because I've never really tasted the difference. I've done it both ways before. I throw in the oil and I put none on the meat, it works just fine. But this method, your meat have that curry flavor. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So, I'm not even gonna go there. Alright? Let me just put one little bit of coconut oil over this. So you know say this go pack with flavor now. What me just do to this chicken back, you know? Hey, if you never know, you know today. One little bit of coconut oil over that. Coconut oil is a flavor enhancer. It is so expensive. So I now advise nobody to try buy that thing. And somebody may know will actually make it. Right? And I always bring them to go buy coconut oil or coconut, sorry, I always bring them to go purchase dry coconut. So out of the batch where in harvest the other day, me just give my money and then give me one buckle. Alright, now me have to cherish it. You see the little that I put in here now, no people that say, yo, throw in a pot and burn it, curry with it. Virgin, it's too expensive. So I go on the people. Alright, now me just turn off my food pot and add a little bit of oil. You don't want too much oil when you do chicken back, you know, because chicken back is kind of fat. So go produce a whole heap of oil. Alright, so I go on, you know, the oil is well hot, you know. Well hot. You don't want the curry burn, so I have the pot in my hand. So I can manage it better. Don't know if you guys can see if a smoke will come off. So yeah, man, you have to burn your curry, people. That is it. So I'm going with some garlic as well. And then I'm going to add my chicken. So this is the oil with the hot. The oil is hot. Aroma. Start now. Alright, so when we have cook curry, me like when my meat fry up a little bit in this curry flavored oil before me cover it when it starts springing its own liquid. Alright, I'm going with a little piece of ginger, which that should have been in the oil, but I don't know how I take up the garlic and to get that, but that's fine. That is fine. I think I'm going to add a little piece of this bad boy, yeah? Yeah, man. People don't know. You know something wrong good or something I want to just know it. And you see the little piece of me I use? You just make sure I mince up it so it get distributed evenly in the pot. I don't take shortcuts when I cook curry chicken back in the man, because I tell you to people, one of my most favorite meat in terms of taste. It tastes so good. Yeah, but you know, have no meat from it, you know? You know, I smell this through the phone. So, that is it. Now, I can close this down and make it go and sweat a little bit and start spring its own juices and everything before me go in with a little bit of water and seasoning. Guys, curry chicken back is mostly bones. It don't take that long to cook. So I'm just gonna prepare my onion now and some bell pepper, some sweet pepper, Irish, 1 carrot and everything. And as soon as this spring its own water and it dry down a little bit, I'm going with my little bit of water, which I already had some in the blender. Yes. And I have some corn to go into this as well. So stay tuned, man. Pat our boss, I soon show you how I deal with this. See? Big up on yourself. Alright, so that I run now about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna give this a start. As you can see, guys, this, as I've said, will start to spring its own juices. So see that, guys, beautiful color. Just imagine how this out is. Some animal with the water right now. Cuff, Wayne, big up yourself to them and my boy, but hush, my boy. Eat for the next 5 minutes, guys. And when all of that water kind of reduce, we have some season cut up over here, so where I'm gonna go in with. So I don't really want to move the phone because I finally get the phone at a nice angle. Right? So when I go in with that, I'm showing you what I go on. So big up on yourself. Nice. I love the gravy of farm up here. Yeah, man. So this I go on now for about 15 minutes. Yeah, man. So I'm going to add the water from my blender, which I blend the wet rub season. I'm going to add this water right now to make it a little bit more. Guys, this meal will require a nice amount of gravy because I'm going to be adding some corn in this to make it start cook. I have some sweet corn. Yeah, so I'm going with my corn right now. I'll make the corn go on simmer down. That is it. So that is it. Now I'm going with my chopped seasoned vegetables. So I have some julienne cut carrot right there. So yeah, man, some Irish same way. And we have some onion in it, bell pepper or sweet pepper. I don't know anything go. So the whole works are going right now. And this is the container that I season the chicken in. So just go get a little water as well. And just rinse it out. And all of this water now with the remaining season and everything, I'm going for me curry chicken, and that is it. So guess what I'm going to now? I'm going to close this down and give it an additional maybe about 15-20 minutes. You understand? And make everything cook. And I will show you guys what I want on this wicked epic curry chicken back. Yeah, man. So pot over here so long time, you know. Dumpling and banana yellow, you know, and I wait, you know, people. So I'm just stay tuned. See it? Yes. Alright people, so here we're going now. 5 minutes later. Time to store this thing. I'll make sure I say everything submerge and cook properly, you understand? Yeah, so this smells so good. Curry chicken back with corn. Oh god. Chubby everywhere, you know. So you can just imagine how all the sweet corn go taste when it's soaked up the whole of the gravy. People, if you're from Jamaica and you're not chew the middle part of the corn, this part in here, so something wrong with you. You have to chew it. I mean, that's like whole. Yes, my people, that is it. Last few bubbles in my go down now, you know, because guess what? Fire lock off. That is it. Go to a store and we can see what they go on. But I don't know, you know, but you're not good, you know. Thanks for your support, man, but you're not good. And a boy can watch all of this food every day on a daily basis. Big up on yourself and thank you, but me couldn't do it. It's rough. Yes, man. Can you imagine me turn up at your house? You keep a little event. I say, yo, line up some curry chicken, man, and forward, or some curry chicken back. And when me turn up, something like that, you see? Party done. Everybody ready for eat, you know. That is it. So, share out a little plate now. And go on, mats it up. Yeah, we're not going with the big blue plate today, my people. Not at all. You know, say from when I'm a bridging. So what TV? Big up yourself. I met So What TV through YouTube. I haven't met him in person yet. But guys, if you haven't been over there, over his channel, go over them and give him some like and some love and some support. That man did something over the past few days. The video was recently uploaded, but guess what? To edit all of that, I've realized that that video was from an earlier day this week. It could have been yesterday or today. Seeing his latest upload. I don't even remember the title of the video, but visit So What TV YouTube channel and you can see the Careers Day where he was at a school. People, man, I don't even want to tell no what happened. I'm gonna just go over there, go watch the video to the end. There's no go miss it out because I was playing the video to you know and it missed me. But what happened in that video, it moved me, man. I tell you, say, I felt it to my heart. You understand? Yeah, man. So What TV? Yes, I eat some of the food sometime and make the people them see. But me I tell my boy, that one the rough cause it's when you're really hungry, man. When you consume food sometimes on camera, it may not look so presentable, you know. Yeah, me I tell you the truth, when you're really hungry and go slow down and eat, just for one video kind of rough. Honestly, look at the rough. What? I want to devour my food, brethren. So, I want 2 pieces of corn. People, nobody know they have with me for eat it, you know. Nobody. Right now, I'm going to sample it and see if too much pepper is in there. If too much pepper is in there, can't go bring none to my son. Let me get some Irish and some carrot in this as well. People, the aroma attack to me in our teeth and tongues right now. I'm gonna have to go in with get some sauce. Get enough of this sauce. See what I got? Eh? You know what I see? One banana, yellow yam, 2 dumpling, corn, chicken back in and niggle this up. Jesus, me sorry for no hush. But me can't help you no. Yeah man, you know if you link up man some of the time if you want some of them sitting here man. When me come to no or no come to me, we can organize something. But honestly, only thing me want with this right now is a glass of water. See that? Me I tell you. Don't want nothing more. Turn on the light, yeah. Yeah, God, Father God, thank you. So people, this is me. I don't want nothing more. So big up on yourself. Thanks for stay tuned. You know, I promise you not see me I go eat this on camera cause me no cut dumpling. And me know no gonna want to see me with all the pinky finger up. Can't do it. Big up on yourself. See the people. One out. One of my brethren just call me for food. And to how food always I leave me hard, me make sure I buy a pack of them plate with fork. And listen. Man say he no want no one dumpling. So me cut up 2 dumplings, give him a piece of yam and 1 banana. And me give him 1 piece of corn same way. And you don't know a good old chicken back over there with some gravy and some carrot and some nice. Hey, yo, me tell him say yo, you have to go pay me for that one when time he done eat it. Believe me so. Hope me can get him feedback on video. So make we see what go on.